Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can locate your device even if it's turned off. Let's say you lose your device, someone stole it, or you do not know where it is. You can find that device by applying these settings that I'm going to show you now. So, in order not to waste time, can I ask you to click on settings? I am using a Samsung phone, by the way. I'm using Samsung S10, but I believe that this is quite similar in most devices. So, when you click on settings, you find the biometrics and security, which you can find somewhere in the middle. Let's see, biometrics and settings. That's mine. I click on it. The next thing you need to find is Find My Mobile. There is an option called Find My Mobile, which is that one. You can toggle it on. If it was like this, let me go back. So just toggle it on and click on it. Now choose these options. Allow this phone to be found. Send last location so that you will be able to identify where the last place the phone was. And the most important aspect of this is to make sure that you have this turned on. Offline finding, because that is the major feature that we are looking for. So once you have this turned on, everything here, so you are good to go. So if you also want to read more about this, to be sure that this is what we are looking for, you can click on it and and then just read what it does. So once you have this enabled, you should be able to find your phone or your device whenever you lose it or when you are unable to find out where it is. If you lose your device and you want to find it, what you need to do, you go to the website, find my mobile-samsung.com. Like I said, this will depend on what kind of mobile phone you are using. But if you are using Samsung as myself, just go to findmymobile.samsung.com. Sign in with your Samsung account, select your device, and then if the device is turned off, you should be able to find instruction on what you need to do. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. And can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share? Thank you.